Hi everyone, my name is Carissa and I'm one of the public health directors at Mabuhay Health Center. And today I'm going to be talking about how to sign up for a COVID-19 vaccine in San Francisco. So currently there are 3 COVID-19 vaccines that are authorized for emergency use. These are the Pfizer, Moderna, and Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccines. All 3 of these vaccines are safe and very effective at preventing severe COVID-19 and hospitalizations. People 18 years and older can get any of these 3 vaccines, while people 12 years and older can only get the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine as of right now. If you want to learn more about how these vaccines work, we have videos on our YouTube channel at Mabuhay Health Center that goes into how these specific vaccines work, what are the side effects, and answer any questions that you may have about these vaccines. The specific videos that we have are called How the Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 Vaccine Works and How the Pfizer and Moderna mRNA COVID-19 Vaccines Work. And we have these videos in both English and Tagalog. In terms of who can get the COVID-19 vaccine right now, currently people 12 years and older are eligible to get the vaccine. The vaccines are completely free. You do not need insurance to book an appointment. And you can actually ride Muni or paratransit for free to and from your appointment. If you don't know, paratransit is a bus and taxi program for people with a disability or a disabling medical condition. So if you would like to ride Muni for free to your COVID-19 vaccine appointment, all you have to do is show your vaccine card or proof of your appointment to the Muni driver. You can also show them an email confirmation or photo of your vaccine card. If you are a paratransit user, there are different things you do based on which paratransit service you use. So for paratransit van riders, you have to make a trip reservation and say you're going to get the COVID-19 vaccine. So to make a reservation, you would call 415-285-6945 and dial option 2 to reserve an appointment. And for paratransit taxi riders, you should have gotten $60 automatically loaded onto your taxi debit card. And to check the value on your card, you can call 415-351-7000. For those with an essential trip card, you can add $60 to your card if you pay $12. There's also an option for people if you can't afford to pay the $12. Community Living Campaign can pay for your share of the $12 if you ask. So all you have to do is call 415-351-7000 and say, I would like to use my vaccine allotment and would like support from CLC. And then that way the CLC will pay the $12 and you will get the $60 for free loaded onto your card. If you aren't signed up for the essential trip card, it's available for older adults, so those 65 years and older, and people with disabilities. And you can sign up by calling 311 and mentioning the program. And you can call on weekdays, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the way the essential trip card works is that you can use the essential trip card as payment for any of the taxi companies in San Francisco. Okay, so how to sign up for a vaccine appointment. Currently, there is a lot of vaccine availability. So if you would like to get vaccinated, it should be fairly easy for you to find an appointment and get vaccinated. And I highly recommend people to get vaccinated as soon as possible, especially with the Delta variant beginning to circulate in the US. The vaccines are extremely effective at preventing severe COVID-19, and the best way to protect yourself from COVID-19 is to get vaccinated. So to get vaccinated, to sign up for a vaccine appointment, one thing you can do is go to myturn.ca.gov. And if you click start here, it will lead you to a page where you will answer some questions about yourself, like what age you are and what your zip code is. And then it will lead you to the next page where it'll show you a list of available COVID-19 vaccine sites. And it should tell you what the hours are and which vaccine you would be getting. And I know there is a lot of, specifically in San Francisco, there are a lot of available appointments. So if you would like to sign up, this is an easy way to do so. If you don't want to sign up for an appointment, you would just like to walk in, that's also an option. So if you go to the same myturn.ca.gov website and click, go to find a walk-in clinic and click find now, it'll lead you to a page where you can just type in your zip code and it'll show you all of the available walk-in clinics in your area that are offering the COVID-19 vaccine. Another thing you can do is go to sf.gov/vaccine-sites to see all of the vaccine sites in San Francisco. So this website will show you the vaccine sites that are open to the general public, but also sites for San Francisco Health Network patients. And it also will list some Walgreens, CVS, and Safeway locations that have some vaccine availability. So one vaccine site that I would like to highlight is the Moscone Center South, and this is in the South of Market District in San Francisco. The address is 747 Howard Street, and it's open 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. This is a walkthrough site, and you can schedule an appointment on myturn.ca.gov, or you can call this number, 833-422-4255. Another option, so if you know someone who has limited access to the internet, you can give them this number. It's 628-652-2700, and they'll be able to learn about the different vaccine options and also get help scheduling an appointment. So this resource is really great for people who are 65 years and older, and also people with disabilities who have limited access to the internet or may not be very comfortable scheduling an appointment online. Another option is to book a vaccine appointment with your healthcare provider. So if you have Kaiser, you can go to this link to schedule an appointment. If you have Sutter Health, you can go to My Health Online or call this number. And if you are a UCSF patient, they're actually scheduling appointments online at myturn.ca.gov. And lastly, you can check your local pharmacies for appointments. So many of these pharmacies are actually linked on myturn.ca.gov or the San Francisco specific website. But if you want to go directly to these pharmacies' websites to sign up for appointment, that's also an option. So here are the specific links to sign up at CVS, Rite Aid, Safeway, or Walgreens. And if you want to find the link for any COVID-19 vaccine sites, some testing sites, and other COVID-19 related resources, you can visit our link tree, which is linktr.ee/MHC_PH. And this is just a website that has a bunch of links available that you can easily click on. And you can type in this address into your server, or you can scan this QR code and it'll bring you directly to the site. All you have to do is hold up your smartphone camera up to the screen and it'll recognize that QR code and bring you to this website. If you have any questions about the vaccine or how to sign up for a vaccine appointment, you can leave a comment on this video, or you can message us at our Facebook page at Mabuhay Health Center. Thank you all, and stay safe.